Hello everyone and welcome back. Address Advisors is here with another project, but this one is unlike anything we've showcased before. It's something very unique. A community where wellness, luxury and a resort-style living takes place into one space. This is Ridhira Zen, India's first wellness retreat resort living community. Built on a beautifully planned 33-acre land parcel. Designed as India's first true wellness-themed retreat community. The calm environment, the resort-style layout, here first impressions don't disappoint. This feels more like a holiday destination than your typical housing project. Ridhira Zen isn't just about villas. Behind these gates lies a fully fledged wellness resort. Private pools, gym and fitness studios, a world-class wellness center inspired by holistic living, yoga and meditation zones, landscape gardens and hospitality-grade services. Out of 33 acres, it is a combination of serviced living and fully operational resort managed with hospitality standards. If you've dreamt of owning a vacation home vibe, yet want everyday comfort and convenience, Ridhira Zen offers exactly that. Now this project sits right off the upcoming regional ring road, in an expansion belt that is planned for the next 10 years of Hyderabad's growth, within a 20-kilometer development radius, making it one of the most promising long-term locations. Today, I am showcasing their 600 square feet 1 BHK villa. The swimming pool is positioned right at the entrance, creating an immediate sense of resort-style luxury, together with the deck area. These outdoor spaces extend the villa's living environment, blending indoor comfort with nature and wellness seamlessly. The living area, it's open and thoughtfully designed, with natural tones and textures that create a serene resort-like atmosphere. Large windows allow lights to flow in, seamlessly connecting the indoors with the outdoor spaces. The kitchen is designed for efficiency while complementing the villa's calm, Bali-inspired aesthetic. And right outside, a spacious lawn that complements the villa's deck area. The lawn provides a green, open space for outdoor activities, while the pool and deck create an intimate resort-style retreat. Followed by the washroom, designed minimalistic, modern and refreshing. And it's a very spa-like design, echoing the wellness focus of the community. The bedroom continues the theme with warm wooden accents and a private layout, opening directly onto the deck. Ridhira Zen offers a wide range of villa configurations, starting from 600 square feet of 1 BHK villas and goes up to 3000 square feet of 4 BHK villas. And you get all of this for just 1.20 CR. It reflects the wellness retreat, Bali themed and the resort style living. If you're interested, reach out to Address Advisors and I will see you again.